QuickBooks gives you a variety of options to customize your reports. Let's take a look at a couple of them by going to the Report Center and then opening up a summary report named the Sales by Customer Summary. Right now, this report is showing us all of our sales by customer for January 1st to the 26th of 2018. And the reason why it's showing us that day range is because right up here at the top left, we have this month to date selected as the date range. But we can click the drop-down menu right here and choose a different date range from the menu, or you can enter a date range by yourself in these two fields. Currently, the report is also sorted by alphabetical order, but if you'd like to change that, you can click the Sort button right here and then choose a different method for sorting. For instance, if we wanted to see our customers with the most sales up at the top and then the smallest amount of sales at the bottom, we could choose Total in descending order. And now it has our customer with the highest sales right here, and then a customer with negative sales down at the very bottom. Speaking of negative numbers, they're usually not something that you want to see on many of your reports, but if you'd like for them to stick out, you can click on Customize right up here at the top right. And as you'll notice, some of these are at the top of the report, such as the reporting period. But there are some unique options here, like divide by 1,000 if you're dealing with a report with very large numbers and you want to make them smaller. You could also choose to view reports without cents, except zero amounts. And you can also choose how you see negative numbers. And you can also choose to show them in red. So now if we run this report, we can see that Donna Pays negative sales is in red. You can also change other aesthetic values of the reports by clicking on the company name or also the name of the report to change those values. And you can also click Customize and then go to the Header Footer section to change any of these options for the report. Once you've customized a report to your liking, you can also email it, print it, and export it to Excel or PDF. There's also an option right here under the gear icon to turn off compact mode, and it adds a little bit more space between all of the lines on the report. Use these basic customization options to change the information that's displayed on your report.